Hello everyone, welcome to Code Ultimate Guide. This topic is all about dictionary in Python. So what is dictionary in Python? The dictionary in Python is an on-order collection of data types which is like the set used to store data values like a map, which unlike other data types that holds only single values as an element, but dictionary holds key and a value pair. So each key and value is provided in dictionary to make it more optimized. So each key value pair in dictionary is separated by a colon, whereas each key is separated by a comma. So for example, that are represent in the curly braces, just like set, just like this. But here is the few rule in the dictionary that hold the objects as a key and value pair. So let's say this is my key. Let's say A is my key, and there's a value, and say value is my, let's say, B. Okay, and each key and value, here is my A is my key and value is my B here. And each key and value separated by a colon. In dictionary, this is a rule of declaring a object. This is called my object in dictionary. This is called my object in dictionary. Okay, this is my key. A is my key and B is my value. Okay, so if I doing the value is my string, so that I should pass the string. If that is a numeric, then I shouldn't give a string. All right, so if I'm going to pass the multiple objects, then I should that should be separated by a comma. Let's say another is a2 colon, say b2, like this. All right, so for example I can show you uh, here in the example. Let's say my pick one, let's say first name is name, let's say Hari. Okay. Second key is H is 20. So here the name is my key and value is my Hari, and in the second one is my age is also my key and value is my 20, and each key and each value separated by a single colon. And if I'm declaring a multiple objects in the dictionary, then that should be separated by a comma, like here. Alright. So as I told you in here, if I'm going to declare a string, that should be inside the single quote or double quote. If I'm declaring going to a numeric value, just like this, then it should not be contain any string, because this is not string but this is a numeric. Alright. So if I'll print one alone, it will give me the output name Hari age 20, and name is my key and value is my Hari, name age is my key and value is my 20. Alright. If I'll say which type of it is, let's say it will give me the dict class, which is dict is my dictionary class, dictionary type of data types. Alright. So I can also, just like if I want to call a specific status. So here, as I told you that the definition of dictionary is, say dictionary, that this is also an on order collection of data type, on order types. Okay. And second thing is there is object key and pair, and the third rule is key should be And see the pure rule of dictionary. Okay, and if I'm declaring the if multiple of multiple elements should be separated by a comma. Okay. So this is the pure rule of dictionary. So here if I'm going to declare the another dictionary too, here let's say name is my Jami and say age 20. Okay. So here I can pass the I can also I just want to call. I told you in the earlier in the set that on order of person data types does not allow the indexing. So here also the dictionary object does not allow the indexing. If I do pass the let's say it pass the first element, the first object which is the name. It will give this if I print this much, it will give me the error. They run this, give the error that is key error that is zero because it does not allow the indexing. Okay, so here what I can do, how I can pass the name. So which is the my name is a key. I can call the dictionary element just like this inside the square brackets in the square bracket. Then in the string format that is the name. So print this. It will give me the name is Chami. Alright. So I can also pass just like this dict dot keys. So here the keys will be my name only. Run this. Give me the name and age. Because there is two keys here, the name and age. I can also pass the values as well as like say print open paste it and to value. So on this the values will be like Xiaomi and here is the value 20. So as you can see the dict value is Xiaomi and 20. So if I want to pass, let me comment it out. Let me copy and paste it here. I want only the items which is all are present inside the dictionary. I want the items which is key and value pair. I want the both key and value. So what I can do, I can print the items. The items keyword will source the key and value pairs. We run this, will give me the this name and Jamie age and 20. So this is the items. Alright. So in the next part is I can also pass the nested dictionary just like that. So dictionary three name let's say Hari and say parents. Here is the nested dictionary should be in the list, the pool, or you can pass inside the dictionary. That doesn't matter. So you can I'm just passing inside the list. Let's say father, mother, say brother. So here is the nested dictionary. Okay, so the not nested so this is called the nested element in the nested dictionary. So if I print 3, it will print me the output Hari, name Hari and parents in the nested list. Okay, so if I want to call the so this is my key. So this is my parents is my key and value is my father, mother and brother. Okay, so if I want to print the value of parent, so what I can do, I can print just like this parents by just calling the parent keys to here. The print run this to print the output as father, mother and brother. So if I want to print only father from here, so what I can do, can I just do like this father Obviously no. So this is not allowed. So I cannot pass this much because this is my list. I cannot call just like this inside the list. When I run it will give me the error because list integer must be integer or slices not string, right? So you can pass the index here. You say pass the zero index. So zero means that the first is my father, right? To run this, it will give me the father only because list is allowed the indexing but not dictionary. Well, here this is my list. The parent value is my list, so I can pass the index here. If I pass like this one, it will give me the output as a mother, right? So this is the example of dictionary. Okay. So next session we will handle the Boolean data type.